Very good morning, everybody. This is Dr. G.P. Sudhakar, Professor of Management from Hyderabad, India. Right. So this specific video is about how to narrow down a research topic. How to narrow down a research topic. This specific video is about doing researching in management discipline or business administration discipline. This specific research is about doing research in management discipline or business administration discipline, right? For example, see, so this specific video is about how to narrow down, how to narrow down the research topic. For example, you have decided to do PhD in management, or you have decided to write a paper in management, right? So when you got a thought, see, there are two things. First one is industry. First one is industry. So next one is business function. Next one is business function. See this. For example, I will tell you. So you have to take a combination of industry and the business function when you are narrowing down a topic for your research. For example, you are having experience in construction industry or IT industry or specific industry. Similarly, you are having experience in HR function or operations function or marketing function. Right. You have to combine these two to narrow down the topic. I will tell you, I will take you through I will share a couple of examples also to you how to select a research topic. Right. See, that is, if you have some experience, few years of experience in one industry, right. Otherwise, also based on your interest level in a specific industry and specific business function, you can choose the management research topic, right? So I will take you through, right? See, industries, right? When you come to industry, what all industries will come? First one is construction, huh? Construction industry or infrastructure. Next, telecom, different industries, right? Huh? Next, what? FMCG, pharmaceutical, right? Pharma is one industry. Steel industry, steel, huh? Cement industry, different industries, right? IT industry, anyway, it is the IT industry, mobile phone industry, mobile, mobile phone industry, huh? Or utilities industry, utilities. Utilities means what all will come into picture? Power, power sector, oil, oil and gas, oil and gas industry, power sector, chemicals industry, different industries, right? Chemicals industry, hmm? Automobile industry, not but not the least, automobile industry, auto industry, huh? Aerospace industry, different industries, right? Aerospace industry. Like this, note down all the industries, different industries which you are aware of or which you are interested in or you have experience in. Right. Note down the industries. Right. Next, come to business function. So, what are the major business functions inside an organization? You know it, right? So, principles of management tells about that. What are the business functions of an organization? Business functions can be HRM, Human Resources Management, marketing, finance, operations, IT, strategy. These are common to business functions, right? So, like this, you note down the business functions. What are the business functions? HRM, Human Resources Management, is one of the business functions inside an organization or a department, right? Next comes finance. Next comes finance. Next comes marketing. Next comes marketing. Marketing is one business function. Next comes operations. Hmm? Say strategy. Some of the organizations have strategy and innovation as separate business function or separate departments in some of the industries, some of the organizations. Strategy and innovation. Next comes IT. IT also can be part of business function, right? So next engineering, production or engineering production. Say production is can be engineering management. Engineering management. Engineering management. Like this. Business functions. What are all there? HR, marketing, finance, operations, IT. Huh? You got the major business functions, right? You got the major business functions, right? So, for example, you have industry experience in one industry or two industries, right? So, for example, you have industry experience in IT industry. Let us assume you have experience in IT industry. Huh? What in which business function you worked? You worked in HRM business function. You worked in HRM business function. Or you are a fresh graduate, fresh graduate, having IT exposure, but you are interested in HRM. What do? Combine these two, HR, IT, and HR. Combine. One of the example topic can be what? Example topic for research. You know, impact of remote working on organizational culture in selected IT organizations. It can be one research topic. Right? Impact of example topics. Right? What is that? Impact. Impact of remote working. Remote working on organizational culture in selected IT organizations. In selected IT organizations. You choose two, three organizations or three, four organizations. For example, if you want to specific to Indian domain, if you want to do research, management research, what do? Choose a topic. Impact of remote working on organizational culture in Infosys, Wipro, and TCS. You can name it. You can that could be one of the research topic, right? So next, what you combine finance. Combine finance. You see impact of venture capital funding and CEO compensation in infrastructure industry. You can do it, right? Combine finance and infrastructure. Similarly, what is that example topic? Example topic can be example impact of VC funding. Impact of VC funding on CEO compensation. CEO compensation in selected infra organizations, in selected infra organizations. That could be one research topic. See, you are narrowing down to the industry and also to the business function and choosing your PhD topic or the management research topic. See, you can do research specific to organization, two, three organizations, or across the industries also you can do. Across the industries also you can do. Right. For example, you are in marketing. Huh? You are in marketing and FMCG industry. You want to combine marketing and FMCG industry. How do you combine marketing and FMCG? You have experience in marketing, sales and marketing. Right. In FMCG industry, you have worked for HUL or Procter and Gamble, or you worked for some, Himalaya, or Colgate Palmolive, some retail firm. For example, you have experience in marketing domain. You want to do research and management. How do you select a topic? Example topic can be effect of effect of product price, effect of product price on market share, on market share of HUL, Himalaya or Dabur. Let us say Dabur. These are FMCG companies, right? That could be one research topic. You have combined the industry, FMCG industry, with marketing domain. Effect of product price on market share. No, that means if you have less product price rate, are we gaining the more market share? Is there any relationship between these two? If I have higher product price rate, am I getting the small market share? Is there any relationship, correlation between these two? Is there any correlation between these two? Like that you can do research. Like that you can do research, right? So, for example, now we have seen three examples, right? We have combined infrastructure and finance business function. We have combined IT and HRM. We have combined FMCG and marketing, right? Similarly, take operations. For example, you have operations experience. You have in supply chain network, working in a e-commerce company, you have experience, or you are more interested in e-commerce, you are tech savvy, and you are more interested in e-commerce, right? So what can you do? A research topic can be, combine operations with e-commerce. Combine e-commerce also, we will categorize one of the industry, right? E-commerce. How do you combine operations and e-commerce? You combine. How do you combine? Example topic can be example topic. Example topic. It can be usage of RFID technology, usage of RFID technology and operational operational efficiency in Amazon and Flipkart. Example, Flipkart. This can be your research topic. This can be your research topic. This can be your no 2 3 organizations or industry across the e-commerce industry you can do. It can be one of your research topic, PhD topic. What is that? Usage of RFID technology and operational efficiency in Amazon and Flipkart kind of e-commerce companies. Yes, you will be studying impact of RFID technology on operational efficiency of these e-commerce companies in their supply chain network function. If they are using RFID technology, is there any impact in achieving operational efficiency? What could be the positive impact and negative impact? We can study. That could be one of your research topic, right? So next what? See, similarly, for example, you are interested in strategy. For example, you are interested in strategy, right? So you are, you want to combine strategy and mobile phone. Mobile industry is the very dynamic industry, right? And the business scenario changes every day, right? Particularly in the developing countries like India and other countries, right? So the moment you are interested in strategy, how do you combine mobile phone and strategy? You combine this mobile phone industry and strategy. Example study can be what? Impact of competition. Example can be example topic. Impact of competition. Impact of competition. Impact of competition in mobile industry. In mobile industry. In Indian mobile industry, let us say in Indian mobile on Indian mobile manufacturers. Impact of competition on Indian mobile manufacturers. Indian mobile manufacturers, right? Impact of competition on Indian mobile manufacturers. There are so many players, right? Because Samsung, LG, so many mobile phone companies. Sony also is there. Apple is there. So many players are there in India, right? With respect to mobile industry. So what is the impact of competition on mobile phone Indian manufacturers of mobile phones? It could be one research topic. It could be one research topic, right? See, for example, you have experience in IT industry. You have experience in IT industry, but you heard somewhere in the newspaper or journal, you read that even power sector is using a lot of automation, artificial intelligence in their transmission systems. A lot of Internet of Things they are using, artificial intelligence they are using. You got interest in power sector, but you have experience in IT industry. Then you want to do some research work with respect to management, right? How can you combine IT industry and power sector? IT experience, you have business function experience, and power sector. How do you combine this? Huh? How do you combine? So impact of or effect of IT tools, usage of IT tools on power sector performance, on performance of the employee performance in power sector. Let us say that you can construct like this: effect of usage of IT tools, effect of usage of IT tools on employee performance, on employee performance in power sector, in power sector. This could be industry level study. This is industry level, and here this can be a couple of studies can be 2 3 organizations specific study, right? Organization specific research study, right? So like this you can choose a topic, you can narrow down to one business function, you can narrow down to one industry specific to management research. If you are doing PhD or if you are writing a research paper, like this you can apply the combination, and based on your interest level, based on your experience in specific field, you can choose a, we can narrow down a topic, you can narrow down a topic, right? So these are the example topics for research. Just focus couple of minutes. I will read out the examples. What is that I have told? Research topics can be impact of remote working on organizational culture in selected IT organizations. Right. Next could be impact of VC funding, venture capital funding, on CEO compensation in infrastructure, selected infrastructure organizations. So another example is what effect of product price on market share. In example, HUL, Hindustan Unilever, or Himalaya, or to example companies like these are an FMCG, right? So next one, usage of RFID technology and operational efficiency in selected e-commerce companies. Right. So another topic can be impact of competition on Indian mobile manufacturers. Competition in the mobile phone industry. How is there an impact? Sales. What is the effect? With research point of view. So another topic can be what effect of usage of IT tools on employee performance in power sector. On employee performance in power sector. So like this, you can narrow down a research topic specifically management research, and you will be see the main objective is you will be doing research on one business function, and you make recommendation to industry, right? So that further you can make recommendations to these kind of industries, and also you can give implications to people who is doing the research community, the research, right? So that's all from me for now. Just to focus couple of minutes and go through this table, whether you will be able to see it couple of minutes. Okay, so let's move on to another task.